Well, here's kind of like a part 2 of the navigation DVD error. We got it again, and that's weird. Okay, anyway, last time what we did is we used a disc cleaner, and it was a Memorex. Now this Maxell I bought new because I couldn't find my Memorex one, and I'm giving this a shot, but it only lasts a day or two before the error comes back. So let's try something else. So let's go ahead and pull out the map DVD and get started. And now I'm going to try a different technique that I saw, because I still think it's a dirty lens. I don't know what that noise is. We'll do that. And let's see. It has us pulling. This method has us pulling this rubber thing. This is a rubber protective part, and we're going to pull that back and try to clean it manually. I'm always scared messing with this stuff that I'm going to mess up something permanently, but hey, that's coming back pretty easy. Oh, that's got a little thing on it. I don't want to mess that up. Maybe I'll try to pull it from this side. Well, that kind of concerns me a little bit, guys. So what I'm going to do is just try to, I don't want to mess something up. So what I'm going to do is see if I can just lift up and down. Ooh, that's got a circuit board down there on that thing. I definitely don't want to mess that up. So this is a different style than the one that I saw on YouTube. Yeah, so this is a different style. So I'm going to try to just peel back this and see if I can clean that lens. Okay, I am able to lift this up and pull this down and kind of see, I think, where the lens is, and I'm going to try to do what they did with a Q-tip. And here I have a Q-tip on the end of a little stick. Let's see if we can clean it. Things on YouTube sure are, they make it a lot easier looking than what it is in real life, let me tell you. Are you kidding me? Now what's going on here is that rubber just keeps slipping out of my hand, and I have to keep lifting it up, trying to get the one lifted up, the other one lifted down. So basically splitting the two pieces of rubber and getting a flashlight and holding it in there with one hand and then cleaning it with the other hand. Well, there is dirt on there. I'm not 100% sure that that is the lens, but let's take a look. Taking a look at the nav CD. It's clean, no scratches. Well, let's just try it. Okay. Just insert that. Checking map DVD. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Here we go, boys and girls. Okay, so that's another way to do it. Here, if you can pull that rubber back, and I'll get you in closer here. Here's the dirt. You know, it's pretty dirty. So you can push this in, push that in. Okay, so with this Maxell DVD cleaner, DVD CD cleaner, it just worked for a little bit, and then it would stop, and I'd use it again, and I got tired of doing that. So I was going to go buy, I said, I can't find my original Memorex cleaner. I just can't find it. And I was going to buy another one, but then when I looked online, I saw a guy use a Q-tip on a stick and went in there. His was on the bench, and they say you could do it in the car. So I'm trying mine in the car, and it worked. You peel back that rubber, you wipe it with this, get all the dirt off of it. Now the lens doesn't look like the lens that I saw on regular ones. It's very difficult to see it, but it's a little different dark spot in there. And you just rub all around it, and we're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.